Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. And hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Sean Mamkhize. Mamkhize breaks her silence after being accused of not liking Andile's baby mama Sitilo and all other allegations that she was kicked out in her apartment. A lot has happened over the weekend. Hey, she posted a series of her images on Instagram and captioned them, "Good morning everyone. On the back of every eventful weekend, I would just like to set the record straight on a few things, especially after some of the false narratives put out there. And everyone must remember I'm a feminist and I will never hurt any woman, but I will protect. It's not my place to give details. 1. I personally have no grudges or any untoward feelings against the mother of my grandkids. She's given me 2 beautiful grandchildren, which binds us forever, and I will always consider her to be like a daughter to me. Number 2, nobody has been kicked out of any apartment, nor have any kids been taken away from anybody. I remain committed to ensuring that my grandchildren grow up experiencing love from all sides and that they are well taken care of. Number 3, as a mother, it is my job to guide and support my son's decisions, and I would like it to known that I will never choose for him. I've lived my life and learned my lessons. I will never take away the opportunity for him to live his own life and learn his lessons along the way. Number 4, I accepted the mother of my grandchildren with all her flaws, whilst the whole world was blaming me. But because I fully understand that nobody is perfect, out of respect for all parties involved, I will not be going into details of their private affairs. They have both moved on with their lives and continue cooperating for the sake of the children. Number 5, as a mother, this is one of the happiest times in my life to be able to officially welcome home a daughter-in-law and for the newlyweds to start a new chapter in their lives. I do not want to ruin this moment for them. Thank you for all the support." There you have it, Mzansi. Mamkhize has spoken out about the allegations that happened over the weekend. What are your thoughts on this one, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 10519 channel loves you. Bye, good people.